Hey guys, I'm Shaizor from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing iPhone 11 Pro Max versus OnePlus 70 speed test. So before we get started, iPhone 11 Pro Max and OnePlus 70 giveaways going on my channel. If you haven't participated yet, participate now. Link is in the description. And also make sure you watch this video till the end. Talking about the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it comes with the A13 Bionic Chip. This is a 64GB variant, and this OnePlus 70 comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. This is 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage variant. They both have a triple camera setup at the back, wide lens, ultra wide angle lens and telephoto lens. But the OnePlus 70 also works like a macro lens. So let's start off the test with turning off both the phones. The iPhone 11 Pro Max turned off slightly faster than the OnePlus 70. Now let's turn on both the phones at the same time. Wow, the iPhone 11 Pro Max and OnePlus 70 turned on at the same time. So now let's open up the apps. There's no recent apps open. So let's get started. Now let's reopen all the apps and let's see which phone loads the app faster. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is 6 seconds faster than the OnePlus 17 speed test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.